Roblox just rolled out major safety upgrades for teens and parents, trusted connections, age verification, and more. Ready for a safer platform? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech and gaming hotspot. Today we're unpacking Roblox's new safety features for teens. On July 17, 2025, Roblox launched new safeguards for 13 to 18-year-olds, building on protections for under 13s from last year. Facing pressure on child safety, Roblox introduced trusted connections, age estimation tech, and parental tools to keep teens safe and chats secure. Trusted Connections replaces friends on Roblox, letting teens use expressive chat and voice with verified contacts. To unlock it, teens take a selfie video for age estimation. 13 plus gets access. If it fails, ID verification works. This keeps chats safe without pushing teens off the platform. Parents now get a dashboard to monitor their teens' Roblox activity, see who they're connected to, time spent, and games played. You can even get alerts for transactions. Ryan Ebanks, Roblox's senior product manager, says this gives parents peace of mind while teens stay social. With 70 million daily users, Roblox's safety upgrades are huge. Ex-users call it a win for parents and teens, addressing past criticism. These tools balance freedom and safety, keeping Roblox a top platform for 200 million monthly players. Roblox is doubling down on safety with more updates planned. As lawmakers and parents watch closely, expect tighter privacy tools and expanded parental controls. Stay tuned for Roblox's next moves to keep gaming fun and secure. What do you think of Roblox's new safety features? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming scoops.